This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Before you uninstall any updates, back up your Samsung phone with Smart Switch. This protects photos, messages, and accounts during changes. Charge the battery to at least 50% and keep a USB cable and computer ready. Uninstalling updates can take between 10 and 30 minutes depending on device speed and storage. Expect to reconnect accounts and reconfigure settings afterward. If you prefer, create a full local backup and note your Google account email for quick restoration later. To remove app updates, open Settings and tap Apps on your Samsung device. Find the specific app and open its info page. Tap the three dots and choose Uninstall Updates to revert to factory app version. For pre-installed apps, use Show System Apps to reveal them in the list. After reverting, disable automatic updates in Google Play to prevent immediate reinstallation. Test the app to confirm the older behavior. If problems persist, clear cache and restart the phone to stabilize the app state. Rolling back, a system firmware update is advanced and requires Odin and official firmware files. Confirm your exact model number and CSC code before downloading firmware to avoid bricking the device. Connect the phone to a PC with a stable USB cable and ensure battery is above 50%. Follow Odin instructions precisely and flash the correct AP, BL, CP, and home CSC files when required. If you are uncomfortable, visit a Samsung service center or perform a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.